I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments on the Xbox Store, follow these steps to get back to gaming. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure your payment method is valid and up to date. Go to the Xbox account settings and review your payment options. Step 2. Clear cache. Sometimes clearing the cache can resolve payment issues. Power off your Xbox, unplug it for a minute, then restart. Step 3. Update Xbox. Make sure your Xbox is running the latest software. Go to Settings, System Updates, and check for any available updates. Step 4. Verify billing information. Double check that your billing information matches your payment method. Incorrect addresses can lead to payment failures. For example, if your credit card has a different billing address than what's listed, it could cause an issue. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to Xbox support. They can provide specific assistance for your account. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issue quickly. Happy gaming!